Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is Aqua Quorum. So Quorum is a, it's very dear to me. It's a very masculine classical fragrances from early 80s, and I went through at least, I don't know, about 10 bottles of Quorum. Beautiful fragrance, and at the time it was super popular, and I'm not sure these days, but I think it's selling very well still because it's still around, and for a price you can find Quorum the original under £20 for 100 ml. Obviously, because of the reformulation, is not as strong and deep and dense as it used to be, but still smells good, performs reasonable. And for some strange reason, I never had Aqua Quorum. It's Eau de Toilette 100 ml. So this is a flanker of Quorum the original, and it came out so the original Quorum came out 1982 if not mistaken, or 1983, and this one it came out 1994, so around 10 to 10 11 12 years later. And this one is quite famous because for a fresh fragrance is absolutely supposed to be superbly good. The only thing is, I never had it for some strange reason, and I never smelled it, which is crazy. And I just because for the last few weeks I was doing fresh fragrances for summer. Suddenly I remembered Aqua Quorum. I said, why not never review that fragrance? And I went and bought one, and today it was delivered. So this is first impression, first unboxing. So I paid under £20 for this. So it's a very reasonable, very affordable, and very accessible. It's everywhere. It's very readily available. You can find it. You just Google it if you're interested, and it will come up in your country and see how much it goes for. But I'm expecting it to be similar prices in other parts of the world. So without further ado, look at the box. The box is classic. It's very nice coloring to it. Say Aqua Quorum Eau de Toilette natural spray 100 ml, and on the top it says Eau de Toilette pour homme, and in the bottom it says Aqua by Antonio Puig, and this one it says made in Spain. Okay, so I just bought it a few days ago, so this is a latest version of it. So if I'm saying something, this is me with this bottle. Okay, I'm not sure about the original one. I'm pretty sure the original one was a beast mode. So let's get on with this video. But if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way it helps me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. And if you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfume myself. I'll make my own line of perfumes. I'll leave them in the link. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. If you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. I appreciate it very much. So let's go. Sorry about this one didn't have any plastic cover on it. So look at this. Beautiful. To me, this is a gorgeous bottle because it reminds me of original Quorum. It's very art deco. It's very classical, shape to it. The cap is plastic, is nothing to talk about, and the atomizer is an old-fashioned atomizer, but I don't mind it whatsoever. And it says Aqua Quorum Eau de Toilette, and let's see the atomizer. Here we go. Whoa, look at this beautiful atomizer. Very good. Okay, so Aqua Quorum by Antonio Puig, and this is first impression. Here we go. Let's go. Ooh, feeling the room, it's very strong. Okay, here we go. Hi. So as it says Aqua Quorum, the original DNA is retained to some extent. Obviously, with aqua feel to it, yeah, that means they freshen it up. Okay, so the original DNA I can smell to some extent, not by huge margin, but still there to some extent. Obviously, that famous original tobacco is missing to some extent, so that's a obviously for a fresh fragrance you don't want a tobacco feel to it anyway. So at the moment, very aromatic, quite green, and very very citrusy right now. Yeah, very aromatic. So I'm smelling the lavender, I'm smelling wateriness to it, which is very strange. The wateriness is not a typical aquatic water. It's like it's fresh water. Obviously it's not that, it's not salty, it's not oceanic, it's fresh water, but it's got something in it. It's like I don't know, tea note or a bamboo note or water lily, something in there giving it that wateriness. But in the meantime, it's quite green and floral. It's very very floral in the same time. I'm smelling something like white floral as well in here, so I'm not sure if it's a floral aspect of it or is it bamboo tea or something in that vein. Yeah, big citruses. Right now I'm smelling combination of lemon, bergamot, maybe a little of grapefruit as well. So it's big on citrus. You opened up very very happy, very bright, very uplifting, and also aromatic, super aromatic from the lavender, and also watery, as I said, maybe tea note or bamboo or something in that vein. And also in the base I'm smelling something very woody, probably is a combination of cedar and sandalwood to give it that clean base, plus lift everything and carry everything together. Yeah, hint of leather in here, not too much, but the leather is very soft, and also little bit of oak mossy feel to it, little bit of piney feel to it. I'm not sure if it's pine in here as well, but it's a little bit piney, little bit oak mossy, and also a little bit of amberiness to it overall. But the amber in here is not huge, deep dense amber. It's a very fluffy, effervescent and bright amber. So overall, for the price I paid under £20, it smells great. And it smells on the classical side, although they try to modernize it to some extent, but still is very very reminiscent of 70s and 80s perfumery in here. I smell very very classical feel of perfumery in here, quite masculine, and I would say this is definitely 25 years old and older to be on the safe side in terms of recommendation. In terms of season, better suited for warmer weather obviously, but let's see how is the performance, because this is a newer version and obviously it's been reformulated to death probably, and let's see how long it lasts. If it lasts anything more than 6 hours or so, then we have something good in our hand. And also in terms of occasion, I would say this is Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, formal, informal, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, anything you want. It smells very very nice and beautiful, for me at least, for my age, for my experience, for my taste. So this is up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man, so this is up my alley, but don't forget that, okay? So for you it could be a little bit different, but for me it's a reminiscence of 70s and 80s smell. Yeah, let's about floral feel to it. I'm smelling something like a minty feel to it as well. Maybe there is a geranium in here, because it's got that little barbershop feel to it. Not much, a hint of barbershop in here, hint of classical, hint of aftershave, hint of what do you call it, like a cologne feel, and you know, the classical ones, but again not too much. It's just a hint of it in here. But overall it smells good. It smells very, to me, very very nice, and also a reminiscence of 70s and 80s perfumery, very classical, very masculine. Although it's very very masculine, there's nothing in here to give it uber masculine. So you can, if you're a lady and you like this kind of fragrances, why not? So you can easily use, wear this. Again, if you like a smell, wear it. If you don't like a smell, don't wear it. As simple as that. Forget the marketing, what marketing says. The marketing is all BS. And in terms of the ratio, let's see. For now, for the price I paid, under £20, this is great. The only thing is, let's see how long it lasts, because as I said, I'm pretty sure the original one was a beast mode, but at the moment it's filling the room. But let's see how long it lasts. It lasts anything more than 6 hours. I'm happy with that, because it's edited toilet, it's a fresh fragrance, and it is classical in the, and it's under £20. I'm expecting something like 6 hours plus. If it gives me that, I'm very, very happy. Okay guys, so in the next video I'll let you know the rest of it, see how it goes. But for now, for the first impression, yes, I'll give it 2 thumbs up my alley, quite mature, classic, fresh, uplifting, happy fragrance, but not too fresh. Okay, so I just classify it fresh to semi-fresh. Okay. Alright, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way it helps me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very, very beautiful in return, you could do that. They're out of this world, super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, one of the highest ingredients in the world for the price you're paying, and they are pure perfume oils, nothing added, nothing taken away, no synthetics, no alcohol, no additives, no bullshit basically. And they are pure perfume just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. They are out of this world, they are artistic, unique, very mysterious. They take you different places, different times. I leave them in the link, and if you want to buy me a coffee, you could do that as well. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.